If you're worried about the volatility of the market and want to protect your 401k or IRA from the risks that come with it, you're not alone. As the market fluctuates and inflation rises, many Americans are looking for ways to secure their retirement savings from these uncertainties. In this video, we'll dive into how precious metals like gold and silver can be the perfect solution to shield your retirement account from market risk. Stick with me until the end to uncover a strategy that has been helping thousands of retirees protect and grow their wealth. Before we dive deeper, I want to make sure you get the most out of this video. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I recommend checking the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide that's helping Americans just like you safeguard their savings. It's a great starting point if you're thinking about diversifying into precious metals. Now, let's talk about precious metals and why they've been the go-to option for many retirees looking to protect their IRA or 401k. Gold, for instance, is often seen as a safe haven investment, especially when the stock market is in turmoil. Historically, it has held its value during economic downturns, while other investments like stocks can see significant losses. In times of market uncertainty, your traditional 401k or IRA is at risk. Think about it. Your retirement savings could be heavily invested in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds that are all susceptible to market volatility. So, when the market crashes or experiences major dips, your hard-earned savings could shrink rapidly. Here's where gold IRAs come in. A gold IRA allows you to roll over your existing retirement accounts into physical gold or other precious metals, giving you the opportunity to protect your wealth while still maintaining tax advantages. Unlike other assets, gold doesn't react to market swings the same way stocks and bonds do. It's an investment that often increases in value when other markets decline. If you're interested in securing your IRA or 401k with gold, you can set up a gold IRA by working with a trusted custodian who specializes in precious metals. This process is simpler than most people think, and it doesn't require a lot of paperwork or fees. You just need to transfer your existing retirement funds into a self-directed IRA that holds precious metals. Now, I know you might be thinking, why should I choose gold over other assets? Well, while stocks and bonds have their place in your portfolio, they come with the risk of losing value. Precious metals, especially gold, are known to hold their value over time. In fact, even during financial crises, gold prices have often surged, making it a strong hedge against inflation and market volatility. It's also important to remember that a gold IRA is a long-term strategy for wealth preservation. If you're planning for retirement and want to ensure your savings aren't wiped out by another economic downturn, gold offers a reliable and proven way to protect your assets. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, I highly recommend checking out the free gold IRA guide linked in the description. It will walk you through the process step by step, helping you understand how thousands of Americans are safeguarding their retirement accounts with gold. You don't have to be in a panic about market fluctuations when you have gold on your side. Whether you have 100k or even 5 method plus in your savings, a gold IRA could be the right move to ensure your wealth is protected and continues to grow no matter what the market does. If you're interested in getting started with a gold IRA and want more details, take a moment to click the link below for your free guide. It's an invaluable resource for retirees looking to secure their future.